1. Canary. It is a small yellow bird with a beautiful song, often kept in a cage as a pet. 2. Chirp. It is a short, high sound made by small birds and some insects. 3. Falcon. This bird kills other creatures for food. It has long pointed wings. 4. Flap. This is to move the wings up and down when flying or preparing to fly. 5. Hatch. This is to come out of an egg. 6. Hover. This is to stay in one place in the air. 7. Migrate. This is to move from one place to another according to the season. 8. Peacock. This is a large male bird with long blue and green tail feathers that can spread out like a fan. 9. Peck. This is to move the beak forward quickly and hit or bite something. 10. Pelican. It is a large bird that lives near water, with a bag of skin under its long beak for storing food. 11. Raven. It is a large bird of the crow family, with shiny black feathers and a rough, unpleasant call. 12. Skylark. It is a small bird that sings while it flies high up in the sky. 13. Stork. It is a large black and white bird with a long beak, neck and long legs. It walks around in water to find its food. 14. Swoop. This is to fly quickly and suddenly downwards. 15. Ugly. It means not beautiful. 16. Vulture. It is a large bird, usually without feathers on its head or neck. It eats animals that are already dead. 17. Woodpecker. This bird has a long beak that it uses to make holes in trees when it is looking for insects to eat.